Hello there, everybody. We are playing Trucker Her, and I'm so excited because one of my favorite things is a nice, walk at nighttime or driving on a highway at night, So it's basically we're just driving in a truck and creepy things happen, I guess. So yeah, let's get into a new game. Go on to this. My name is Jason, and I have been a truck driver for over 10 years, and I love my job. I have traveled to different states delivering cargo from one part of the country to another. But after my last trip up north, something happened to me that changed my life forever. Something that is scary and inexplicable happened. Jesus, that's spooky. Oh God, what's gonna happen? I'm so excited though. Even if something scary happens, oh, what the hell? Do I actually get to drive the car? Okay. What is happening? Okay. Flashlight, okay. Yep, I got it. Whoa! Hang on, let me, turn my thing in. Oh, look how cool this is! Oh! I'm actually driving. Oh, okay! Don't ever trust me with a car. Seriously, it's one thing you don't do, so... Oh, am I gonna... Oh, what am I gonna... Oh, what happens if I crash? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm drifting! I can drift. That's awesome. Oh, crap. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't do that. Oh, crap. How do I enter here? I drift! Where do I park? Am I getting some petrol? In here. Okay, I just crashed the car. Okay. Dude, look how nice this is. Need to fill up. Okay, fill up some petrol. Okie dokie. Dude, this is actually so cool. I'm excited. Oh. Okay. I think I'll buy some coffee, yeah. Dude, I'm excited. Oh, what's this? What the hell? Wanted? No, I don't want to go on and I want to check the wanted poster. Hang on a minute. What's the wanted poster? Ah, some coffee, eh? Let's check it out. Hello? Oh, hang on. Let me hop over the counter so I can see you guys. Hang on. Out to lunch. Wow. Not even gonna say hi to the customers, eh? Okay. Hello, is there anybody back there? Hello? No. Well, let's get some coffee. Jeez, what are these noises? Did I just pee on the ground? Look at me move. Oh yeah. Now what? Is the door open? Close? No. They just stay open. Ooh, it's kind of freezing out here, man. I need to get back in my car. Truck. Whatever. Oh! Jesus Christ, I need to turn that down. Oh my god. You're behind schedule again, where are you? At a gas station about 40 miles from the station, the road is slippery. There is a ton of snow, can't risk the car though. Don't you understand if you don't deliver the cargo on time, it will affect the contract? Do you know who will be responsible for that? Yeah, me, I know. It's just... Shut up, I know it's my fault. Look, Jason, if you're late, I'm going to have to explain it to the management? And, you know what they're gonna say. Damn, man, I don't want to be fired because it's bloody cold outside and slippery on the road. Well, that's how it is. Okay, I'll do my best. But if anything happens on the road, I'll be... Okay, look, Jason, you know the rules. You have 24 hours to get there. Don't disappoint me. Yeah, shut up, mate. I want to drive my car. This guy's so rude. How have I been working here for so long and I've had to deal with that guy? How's it my time, buddy? Alright, this time I'm actually going to do road rules. Alright, guys, I promise. Wait, which lane is it? Is this one? God, okay, I'm just gonna go on the middle lane because I don't know which lane it is. Oh no, which way do I go? There should be one road there. Okay. I think I have to go this way, right? Because it has the... Okay, I don't know. Oh, drift. There we go. Dude, I'm actually a crazy drifter in this truck. I didn't know trucks could drift. Come on, let's do this. It's so peaceful out here, man. Had a long night, you know. Oh no, man, I'm gonna have to swerve around this tree. Dude, life's been amazing, man. Isn't this just so peaceful? Maybe I shouldn't look. Oh crap. What's that over there? Slow down! What the hell is that? So guy, you need help, bro? Look, I don't know how to fix a car, but if you need help, you know. Oh, look at my shadow. Oh, this car's abandoned. Like, abandoned. Is this my flashlight? Okay, this is my flashlight. Oh, look at this. Huh. Documents are old, judged by everything. This car's been here for a long time. There's no one really driven on this road for so long. Otherwise, this car would not be here. Dude, this is spooky. Is the owner of this car out here? Yo, do you need some help? Need some help? But you don't need to get back in my car. I'm scared. Huh. Who's that? Hello? Yeah, I'm gonna get in my car, dude. This is terrifying. Let me get in my car. Alright, come on, let's just drive around this car and forget what happened here. Because that was just scary, man. Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus Christ, that scared me. Oh my god! My heart. Oh! Oh! What's the word? Oh! Damn! Oh! 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 Oh no! Drive carefully. I don't know how to do that. Oh damn! Come on, you stupid truck, get up here. Can I drive? Please? Oh, come on, I want to drive not safely. There we go. Oh, crap. Oh, damn. Hang on a minute. Oh! I really pick up the pace. Oh, come on. Come on. Drive! My truck sucks! Drive! There we go. Jesus Christ. Dude, I'm still thinking about that deer. I think I'm missing my heart from that because it jumped out. Jesus. Dude, but it's actually kind of peaceful tonight. It's a nice snowy night. There's nothing to be worried about. It's just me and my truck. Yes, I maybe got a bit of a fright before, but nothing to be worried about, guys. A road that is not on the map, an abandoned car on the road. This is all strange. I have no choice. Okay. Oh, now we're finally going fast. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Jeez. Better not crash. And maybe I'm going a bit fast. Oh. Nah, I wouldn't worry about it. Oh, what's this? Oh! Okay. Isn't this the same one before? No, it's not. Why would we're literally a truck driver? Why would be? Oh my god, that scared me. This looks like a diner. I swear to God, if I get a jump scare. What was that? What the hell was that? I'm actually gonna give you a Mike Tyson if you come out of this door, I swear. I can't. If you're, I can barely read this. If you're reading this letter, then go back. If you're lucky, you survive. Okay. Dude, I saw something in that corner. What the hell? Okay, I need to get some sleep. Do I sleep in my truck? I think I do, right? These are one of the trucks where I like sleep in. Okay. Nothing to be worried about, just a nice snowy night. Alright, come on. Dude, this is so nice. What? Look how nice this is. Dude. This is peaceful. I love this. Oh, what the hell? Oh, hell no. Yo, stop banging on my door. Dude, I'm trying to get some sleep, man. Seriously. Dude, I swear, whoever's out here... What? Hello? Hello? What the... I'm getting back inside. I'm getting back inside. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm sleeping. What is that? What? Turn off the radio. Why is the radio on? Who turned on the radio? It's dispatch. Yeah, what? I'm here. Where are you? I've been gone for a whole week. Oh, I've been gone for a whole week. What are you talking about? We talked yesterday. I took the old road after the gas station. I get there faster this way. Which road? There's no secondary road in that area. Just one highway and a forest. Oh no. You're somewhere in the wrong place. Get out of there. Oh, I should have taken the. I'm so sorry. I should have taken the wrong road. I'm seriously. Run him over. 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 Do it. Let me run him over. Please, I want to run him over. Let me run him over. Run him over. What are you doing? Are you stupid? I think I'm actually stupid in my brain. I would run the guy over. Yes. Get out of here. Get out of here. Drive away. Shouldn't we go back, though? Huh. Dude. Who the hell was that? No. Tell me I can leave this place, seriously. Dude, I knew I should have taken the other road. I literally got close to it and then decided, you know what, actually, no, I'm actually gonna go the other way. Oh my god. What is wrong with me? Oh, hang on, damn! Hang on! Oh, there we go. No. Come on, get back on the road. There we go. Okay, I'm not the best driver, you know, guys, so. Oh, no, I'm just going past here. Don't even. I'm driving fast. Yep, no, I'm not even gonna mind these. Absolutely not. Wait a minute. Wouldn't that mean there's like people here? If there's all the cars, then where are all the people? What happened to them? I mean, I did see the other guy before, but I just drove away because I felt very scared. I was shivering in my boots. Oh, okay, I should look at the road. Oh. Now, drift, land it. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we finally have a place to sleep, but I really wanted to sleep in here, but I guess we're gonna sleep in a motel. Hello? Hello? Can I go in? There we go. Dude, I don't think I'm allowed to be back here, but what was that? What? What am I closing and opening? Can I open the door, please? No? Okay, guess not. Is anybody here? a lot of cola. And orange juice. And grape juice. And wine. Oh my god, there's someone looking. Hey! I don't like peekers, mate. I'm coming up there. I'm gonna talk to this guy. Hey! No, you're not getting away. Which door are you? Huh? What? Why is that light off? Oh. Did you guys spill the grape juice from the... Hello? Oh my god, poor kid. He's dead. What did I stumble upon? What is this? Let me steal his backpack. No, I'm leaving. What? What did that say? I don't know. I'll have to go to the yellow car, I guess. Go on. Dude. What is that? That's not a yellow car. There's literally no yellow car here. Confused. Did it say yellow car? What did it want from me? Oh? Oh, I can close that door. Okay. Can I just leave? Keeping the light on. Closing this. Can I close my door? Let me close my door! There we go. Dude, it spooked me, man. I'm freaked out. Can I go back in the house? Nope. Oh, it's this one. What do I need? It's just a note. What do I need? Is that a yellow... A yellow what? Oh, hang on, there's a door open over here. Oh my god! Oh! Damn! Dude. Oh. I think I might have to blur that out, actually, to be honest. I think I'm gonna blur that out. I don't think I'm allowed to show that. I really don't think I'm allowed to show that. What? What am I meant to get? I'm so sorry for whoever you are. I'm actually sweating right now. What? Does that car have blood all over it? Don't tell me. No, I think it's just the red faded away. Is that a bullet hole? No. What? A yellow car. Oh, there's a radio. The door's locked. I need to find something. Tell me open the door. Maybe a crowbar. Why would you need a crowbar to open that? Can I hop over this? No. Can. Where would a crowbar be? I can go around. Or not. Okay, it's just perfectly placed boxes there. Crowbar in here, maybe? No. Surely the faded away red truck would have a crowbar in it, right? Ooh, crowbar. No, that's a foot. Where would a crowbar be? Probably coming from here. Oh no. Crowbar? Take what? It's just a ladder. Oh, crowbar! I got it, I got it. I need a fuel. What do you mean? Where would I find that? Okay. Don't I need to break into here though? Oh, I can sprint, I can sprint. Okay. Perfect. Hey, break in. Come on, let's do this. Why am I breaking into this exact car? I have no idea. I just felt like it. I got a canister of... Oh! What you looking at, huh? Ah!